Hello and welcome to DQ. In this demo, we'll explore how Axe DevTools Linter helps developers build accessible code from the start by catching accessibility issues directly in their source code. It works much like a spell checker, identifying issues as you write code so your team can maintain quality and move faster. Axe DevTools Linter supports React, React Native, Angular, Vue, and plain HTML. And it also works with custom components, which makes it a strong fit for modern development workflows. Let's start inside VS Code. After installing Axe DevTools Linter, you could begin linting immediately without any complex setup, which makes it easy for teams to adopt. As you open a file and begin working, the Axe DevTools Linter automatically starts analyzing your code in the background. You could see accessibility issues highlighted directly in the editor, making them easy to spot as you write. When you hover over an issue, you get a clear explanation along with guidance on how to fix it, along with links to DQ University and examples that show how to resolve the issue. Because this runs locally, feedback is fast and consistent, even with working with large files. You can also view all the issues in the Problems panel in your terminal, which provides a centralized view of accessibility issues across your repository. From there, you could jump directly to each issue and resolve it in context, which helps developers fix problems immediately instead of passing them further down the development process. The Axe DevTools Linter also includes a command line tool that allows you to scan files outside of the editor, giving you flexibility in how you run accessibility checks. Running linting locally is especially useful for large repositories because it is typically faster and avoids network-related delays, making it a reliable option for continuous use. The Axe DevTools Linter could also be integrated in your CI/CD pipelines, so accessibility testing runs automatically as part of that workflow. You could configure it to run on every commit or pull request, and if issues are found, you could block merges or surface feedback directly in tools like GitHub Actions through annotations on the exact lines of code. This ensures accessibility issues are caught early and do not move further down the pipeline. Axe DevTools Linter also supports custom components, which are common in modern web applications, but often missed by other tools. By mapping custom components, you can ensure that they are analyzed just like native HTML elements, which helps maintain accessibility standards across your entire interface, including internal component libraries. Catching accessibility issues early helps reduce rework and avoid delays later in development. By linting at the source code level, teams could keep new code clean, detect issues as changes are made, and maintain accessibility as part of their development process rather than treating it as a separate step. The Axe DevTools Linter acts as an early safeguard against accessibility issues by providing fast feedback in the IDE, flexible linting locally, and automation across your entire development pipeline via the CI/CD. You can set it up quickly, integrate it within your workflow today, and start improving accessibility right away. Thanks for watching.